P40 Pro doesn't break the mold, but it's quite fitting for a modern flagship. It's made from glass with a frame of aluminum, and the squared-off corners help it to stand out a bit from competitors. The back is curved, and although the finish is a bit conservative, it's quite sleek and elegant looking. The major feature here is of course the quad camera setup, which takes up a decent amount of real estate. Of course, even though the P40 Pro is made of glass, you should expect charging speed is quite impressive. The phone comes bundled with a 40-watt charger, and with it we were able to charge the battery from 0 to 80% in just half an hour. There's also support for 27-watt fast wireless charging and reverse wireless charging.